Okay, here we have a Qualcast Petrol Strimmer. The problem is it keeps cutting out after a couple of minutes or so. Once you've cranked it, it cuts out. I've removed the carburetor, replaced the gaskets, give it a good clean, put it all back together, but it still cuts out like it has done there. So it's time to replace it, I think, the carburetor. Just going to take this air filter cover off, remove the air filter, then just going to undo the air filter housing, free it off like so, and that frees off the carburetor. I've undone the fuel pipes, it's just a matter of undoing the throttle cable. And there, the unit is free. That's the old carburetor. Managed to find one on the internet for £9, that's a bargain. And voila, it's arrived. It's a brand new carburetor. This one has a yellow choke lever in opposed to the old unit which had the black one. There's the unit there. That's the yellow choke lever. And if you compare the two carburetors, old and new, old on the left, pretty much identical. However, the new one does not have a housing for the throttle cable, which is kind of doubles up as the bottom of the float chamber. And if you look at the arrowed, I've highlighted it, that's the throttle cable housing. The new one doesn't have it, so it's just a case of swapping over from the old one to the new. And voila, there you have it, swapped over and ready to install. It's just a matter of doing the reverse of previous. Just connect the throttle cable to start. And I've also connected the fuel pipes. Just a matter of pushing the unit home, push the unit back on, like so. And then refitting the air filter housing, which holds the whole unit together, holds the carburetor in place, with a gasket. Just tightening it up. And I've popped the sponge air filter back in, just a matter of fitting the cover, air filter cover, clipping that back over. And now I'm just checking the throttle, the choke works. When you push the choke right down and press the throttle, it should flip back up by itself, like so. And and then it's just a matter of priming the carburetor, get rid of the air, and then that's ready. Give it a try. And it seems to be working fine. The only thing is the idling seems a bit low, so I'm just going to adjust that. There's a screw on the side of the choke, and the carburetor, sorry, which you can use to turn the speed up. And that's been running for a while now. It's warmed up. It hasn't cut out, so I think that's the job done. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe.